Okay, here we're gonna learn today how to make pizza bites the right way.
You're the chef. I don't know what you're doing.
House tour? House tour? No, not house tour.
Hold up. You gotta read it.
Pizza bites done the right way. So you get your generic pizza bites. Those are bigger, and bigger is always better. And you get your pan. And most importantly, you set your oven to. Now they tell you 425, but the proper temperature is 420. Blaze it. Now we take the pizza bites. More pizza bites, less pizza bites. That should be good. You want them all stacked close together and one side of it.
Otherwise, the cheese doesn't melt very well.
We're getting there. Then you take cheese. I like Parmesan and Mexican mix.
No Parmesan.
It's good.
No Parmesan.
Parmesan on half of it.
What kind of other cheese is it?
Mexican mix. Kroger brand. Mexican style blend. You just reach in. Hands are completely clean. I didn't just touch a dirty camera. A dirty, really nice camera. And you just layer it on. And it looks pretty. Not as pretty as the camera lady, but it was pretty.
I can't get the camera angle.
Now you put the rest of your stuff up. It's a very important part. I'm talking like I'm from Brooklyn.
New Jersey.
New Jersey? No. Jersey? I don't know any accents.
New Jersey.
I'll learn as I go.
Now you just sound like a clown. You look like
now, it's at 100 degrees. We just wait. And wait. Small we'd ever die.
Thanks for looping this around in weird ways so I can't get it.
Don't do that. Okay. Now we do another time lapse of, hey Siri, set a timer for 12 minutes. Okay, now we do another cool time-lapsey thing.
Where we're just sitting at the computer.
We just have this, and we... And don't want to burn my hand again.
That wouldn't be good.
Would not be good. See, I like it just burned. Burnt.
You're gonna burn your hand. Go set them down. Put it in the light.
Okay. I like these burnt, like really crispy burnt. She likes them still cheesy and gooey. But ooh, are they good.
That's his favorite.
Oh.
Mine.
Oh.
His.
Ow. 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 Touched the metal that time. The metal's a lot hotter. So now, you don't let them cool off. Go ahead and grab a plate. If you're using a good enough thing. Do. And voila!
Best meal ever.
As a college student. A college-aged student. You know.
Ta-da! Cookie.
So there's one step you gotta remember. You gotta remember to turn it off.
We made you pizza rolls and you bring home pizza?
I didn't know you were making pizza rolls. I told you not to cook anything.
Ah!
Rolls. So,
That's just ASMR. Mm-hmm.
it's a pizza roll on the pizza. Yeah,
That's so good.
eat them both.
Oh my god. Your face isn't even in it.
I'm about this. That's why I have a good one. Have a good camera person.
I am a good camera person because I don't talk with my mouth full either.
Yeah,
My slice. If anyone eats it, I will come at you. Wait, I'm walking away because I trust no one. That's a good slice. Hello, Israel. Hi.
pizza rolls are hot when you take them out of the oven. Ow.
Wonder why that is. Out of pure curiosity.
Shit. Bye.
Cheers.
Cheers.